Hello dear students, welcome to our Pune Jilha Parishad Pune online teaching class. Today we will learn about Standard 1st, Unit 5, 5.2, 1 and many. This is my introduction. So let's start. One and many means एक आणि अनेक. One balloon, many म्हणजे पुष्कळ, balloons. One bird, many birds. उच्चाराकडे लक्ष द्या. A kite, many kites. Now look at the pictures and say with me. Means चित्र पहा आणि माझ्याबरोबर म्हणा. One and how many? A train, two trains. A boat, three boats. A boat, there are three boats. A car, four cars. A bicycle, five bicycles. Thank you.